Okay. Excuse me, what's your name, please?
My name is Huyền.
So your name is Thai Yêu Thức.
No, my name is Huyền.
I'm sorry. So your name is Huyền Yêu Thức.
Yes, it is.
And what's your ID number, please?
My ID number is 19064.
Pardon?
My ID number is 19064.
So your ID number is 19064 Yêu Thức.
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How about you? What's your name, please?
My name is Linh.
Pardon?
My name is Linh.
So your name is Ming, isn't it?
No, my name is Linh.
I'm sorry. So your name is Ling, isn't it?
Yes, this.
And what's your ID number, please?
My ID number is 20141.
So your ID number is 20141, isn't it?
Yes, this.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, see you later.
See you later. Ta-ta.
Ta-ta.